Hey guys, today we're going to talk about properties of logarithms. Now, this is an extremely important section because a lot of what you're getting ready to do with solving equations with logs are going to be based on your properties. So, we're going to start with the graphic organizer to kind of put everything in one place. Then, we're going to use this graphic organizer to practice to solve some problems. So, basic logarithms, log base b of b is equal to 1. Now, if the base and the number beside the base are the same, the result is the exponent. And in this case, the exponent is 1. Log base b of 1 is 0. B to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So to simplify, the logarithm base and the number are the same. The result is the exponent. And 3 to the 0 power is 1. Product rule, when you multiply, you add. Log base b of m plus log base b of n. Multiply, add, multiply. They go forwards and backwards. So here you're adding, so you multiply 6 times 7. Condensing means 1 logarithm. Expand means break it up. So break this multiplication up into addition. So log base 2 of 9 plus log base 2 of 7, because 9 times 7 is 63. You're going to be doing some condensing and expanding. You need to know the difference. Division implies subtraction. To condense, that means to put it together. 84 divided by 12 is 7. And to expand, log base, anything that divides to give you 9. I'm going to do 81 minus log of 9. The power rule says the exponent becomes the coefficient, or the coefficient becomes the exponent. So to condense, the coefficient becomes the exponent. So log base 3 of 8 squared, which is 64. Expand, the exponent comes down in front. The change of base says the log of A divided by the log of B. The reason you would use a common base is to convert to a base 10 format. This has a log 7 base. So to convert to a log 10 base, which is a common logarithm, you would do log 32 divide by log 7. And every time you hit the log key in your calculator, it opens a set of parentheses. So we would say log 32, enter, divide log 7, enter. And typically, you go to 4 decimal places. So this is a great graphic organizer to help you with whatever you need in terms of properties. So taking a look on the back, we're going to write our product rule, quotient rule, and power rule again. And then we're going to condense. So I'm going to do a few, then I'll let you pause your video and let you work a few. So multiplication implies addition. Subtraction implies, division implies subtraction. There we go. Power rule, exponent comes down. Condense, 1 logarithm. Addition implies multiplication. Log base 7, 9 times 4. Number 2, subtraction implies division. Log base 2, 80 divided by 5, 16. Coefficient becomes the exponent. 81 to the 1/2 power is the square root of 81, which is 9. And we're going to talk in just a minute what happens when these numbers are compatible. Number in front becomes the exponent. So log base 4 of 8 to the 3rd. Subtraction implies division. Log base 4 of 2 to the 5th. And that's a fairly big number. So we're going to use our calculator for that. 8 to the 3rd divided by 2 to the 5th. Log base 4 of 16 is your answer. Again, there's another one where they're compatible. We'll talk about that. a little bit later. Notice some of these have multiple rules in them. So exponent is coming from the coefficient. So log base 5 of x to the 7th. Addition implies multiplication. Log base 5 of y to the 4th cubed. Y to the 4th cubed is y to the 12th. Don't forget your parentheses. So log base 3 of a to the 7th, can't do anything with that, times log base 3 a to the 4 minus, so a to the 4th over b squared. So we're going to simplify that as log base 3 of a to the 11th over b squared. Multiplying at the exponents. Log base 4, we have x to the 7th minus x squared times 4 log base 4 x cubed. So this 4 is going to go here. So we're going to have another x to the 12th. Subtraction is your division. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have x to the 5th times x to the 12th log base 4 of x to the 17th. 1/2 out front is going to become the exponent. Subtraction implies division. So this is what that's going to look like. Log base 6 of 9 division to the 1/2 power times 12. So 9 to the 1/2 power, square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 12 is 36. So in this next section, we're going to condense and then do the change of base. If you would like to look at a few and then pause your video and try a few, that's really going to let you know how much you're understanding what we're doing. All right, 35 divided by 7 is log base 9 of 5. Change of base, log 5, divide log 9, log 5, enter, divide log 9, enter, 0.7325. 8 squared, log base 3 of 64, divided by 2 to the 4th is log base 3 of 4. Log 4, enter, divide log 3, enter, 1.2619. 8 to the 1/3, 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Log base 4 of 30 is log 30. Divide log 4, 2.4534. And guys, don't just write this down. Use your calculator. You're going to be responsible for knowing how to type these into your calculator. Now's a great time to practice along with me. All right, 27 times 4 divided by 8. You should get 12. So log 12 divided by log 2 is 3.5850. Notice we're rounding to 4 decimal places. Now expand. When you expand, you're going to have more than one logarithm. So you've got to remember, in expansion, you should not have anything together. Everything should be separated. You should not have any exponents. Those should all become coefficients. So this is multiplication, so we're going to be adding log base 8 of m plus log base 8 of n squared. Bring the 2 down front. Answer, log base 8 of m plus 2 log base 8 of n. Division implies subtraction. Bring the exponents down. So log x to the 9th minus log y to the 4th equals 9 log x minus 4 log y. You're going to start number 15 by bringing the 3 down. And that's log base 2 of a to the 5th plus log base 2 of b squared, because you are multiplying, that breaks up to addition. So bring your exponent down and you get 15 log base 2 of A plus 6 log base 2 of B. Same thing for number 16. Bring that 2 down, log P to the 4th minus log Q to the 7th. That's 8 log P minus 14 log Q. So we have a to the 7th b. Square root of that is to the 1/2 power. So 1/2 log base 5 of a to the 7th plus log base 5 of b. So 7/2 log base 5 of a plus 1/2 log base 5 of b. Into the 1/3 power for 18. So that's 1/3 log base 4 of c squared plus log base 4 of d to the 15th. So that's 2/3 log base 4 of c plus 5 log base 4 of d. So you guys should have gotten quite a few practice problems here, which should help you on the assignment that you have for this section. Remember, properties of logs are very important. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.